So in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Microsoft Store and also install Microsoft Store using Command Prompt or PowerShell. So first of all, we have to right click on this icon and click here Terminal Admin. So first of all, we have to write get MSIX package. Then we have to type all users, and then we have to type asterisk store asterisk. Then we will get a few packages which is important to Microsoft Store. So first of all, we have to alternatively, if you want to use command prompt, then you have to type this PowerShell. Then we have to type our command and we have to hit enter to execute the same command again. I have to mention that PowerShell is more faster than command prompt, so I recommend using command PowerShell to remove any packages. So as you can see, here is some packages. Now we have to remove all the packages. To do this, we have to simply use a pipe and then we have to type remove. Same thing for MSIX package. And then we have to hit enter. And it will remove all the packages from this PC. So I believe my Windows Store has gone. So now how can we install Microsoft Store again? First of all, we have to go to a website which is a GitHub repo by Microsoft WinGET CLI. We have to go to release and we have to click on this package. And we have to download dependency zip, this file, as well as M6 bundle. This is desktop apps installer. Alternatively, you can go to this link. You can go to this link and you will get the link directly without going to that website. Here is dependency and here is M6 bundle package. So first of all, we have to go to our download directory and so I already have downloaded those two, so I'm going to place that two file on one folder. I'm going to paste it here, and we have to extract this dependencies. So I'm going to extract all and click here. So we have successfully extracted our this file. So I'm going to go to x64 because my Windows bit is 64. Now we have to click on address bar and we have to type cmd to launch cmd or command prompt here. So now we have to type PowerShell then we have to type add fx package, then we have to type path, then we have to type star dot fx and we have to hit enter to install this to runtime file from this directory. So it will take a few seconds to install this. As you can see, it is now installing. Actually, our already have latest packages, so it's showing an error. So we have to go back to program folder. So in order to go back to program file, program folder, I'm going to type this cd and I'm now on program folder. As you can see, we have MSIX bundle. So we have to type the same thing here. M6. Then I'm going to type stars and it will install all the M6 packages from this folder. Obviously, it will take a few moments because I'm using command prompt instead of PowerShell. So it is now installing desktop apps installer, which is really useful for installing Microsoft Store. So now I'm going to install Microsoft Store from here. First of all, we have to type this command WinGET install, then this code for Microsoft Store. Then we have to type accept package agreement. Then we have to hit enter. And it will start installing the packages for us. It will take a few moments to install because that package is 2 layers. So we have to wait. So as you can see, I have successfully installed Microsoft Store using command prompt. Now I'm going to use Microsoft Store. So I can search for any apps like Candy Crush. At first time, it will take a long time to prepare everything for you. So you have to keep patient. And you can click on download, then we can check for update by clicking this button. If any of your installed apps has update available, you can install by click on this button. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoy, and bye bye.